Hello students, in our computer class today we are going to start chapter 7. This is from this portion we are starting MSW logo. In the previous chapter the topic was different, that was what things we have learnt. Just check that one. That was common internet services. Hope you have understood that topic that I have sent to you as a PowerPoint presentation. Here the thing is completely different. Here the things are all practical based. Because of the lack of practical classes, here I am sending to you the demo practical class of MSW logo. Try to practice these things at home, whatever has given in your book portion in the lab guide. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is chapter 7, arithmetic with MSW logo. In your previous class, in class 3, you have learnt by using the sum of the common logo commands how to draw the basic logo shapes. Even with these logo commands or different operators, we can do the calculations also. So how to do those calculations through MSW logo, that we are going to learn from this session. But before starting that, I will show to you again, and that is maybe called as recap, that how the logo screen looks like. Then it will be easier to you to work through MSW logo. So let's start today's class. So this is our desktop. On the desktop area, either you can find the logo icon. See, this is MSW logo icon. This can be set as a shortcut way, or at your PC or home computer you can find through this start, then find out where it is. From the start menu you can find it here. Because of in my machine the thing is there on the desktop set as a shortcut manner, that only what I have to do, I just double click on that and I have got the logo window. See, this is your logo screen. You are familiar with this because you have worked with that in your previous class. There only the screen is divided into two portions. According to that other applications, if you compare with other applications, the window or the working area looks different. Because in other applications like MS Word, Excel, MS Paint, there are so many ribbons are there where you can get the icons to work the different job or task. But here only, because of this is command based, only some important or common menu are there, except that the screen is blank. What I have to do, I have to give the commands by writing. I have to do the job by writing the commands. So you have to be careful when you are typing the commands or you are typing the primitives. If one mistakes, the work not being executed on the screen. So what I can see at the first time when we open the MSW logo screen, the screen is divided into two portions. Can you see the division? The upper one is called the main screen. Whatever I am drawing or just giving the commands here to draw the objects, the object or the drawing will be shown to this bigger area. This is called main screen. And the next one, the lower one, is called commander window. This commander window even is further divided into two portions. The bigger one in this commander window is called recall list box, and the smallest one, like a long horizontal bar, this is called command input box. You can see the command input box is actually the main area. See, the cursor is blinking there. So where the command input box is present, there only either you give commands to draw the pictures or you give commands to do the calculations, and whatever the commands I have written earlier, those things are being shown in a listed manner to the recall list box. So let's recap the thing how it looks like. So if I give FD space 60, if the cursor is there only I can type the commands there, enter. See, a line has drawn. Also my previous command has gone to the recall list box. If I give another command FD space 90, enter. See, the line is more longer and the second command has stored to the recall list box. So recall list box stored our previously written command, and the last one, that is here, command input box is now ready to accept the next command from me. So this much is what about MSW logo first screen. From the next class I am going to start that how to do the simple calculation through MSW logo. So for today up to this only. Thank you.